Oh yeah, the flood of 2011. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we doing this shit big time. Oh wait, get something to cover up over here. No, I'm trying to find something so I don't get your camera all wet and shit. Can I take this?
An umbrella, you mean?
Can I take this? Thanks.
You get my phone wet.
That's why I'm doing this. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at all this. Holy shit. Oh yeah, this is fucking up our yard. Oh! Fuck! Oh yeah, look at all that water. It's got cold as shit. Took down the fucking tree. Look at that shit. Took down the... Oh, God. Oh, shit.
Look at that fucking tree fell. Almost hit the
I know. You got that. Say hello to the camera.
Come on, go swimming.
Oh yeah. I'll just go sliding down this shit real quick. Oh. Oh! She's like fucking water rafting over here. Hell yeah. Oh shit, their yard is fucked up. What's up, Bray? I know.
Oh shit.
I love it. Huh? Mom told me to videotape. She told me not to get her phone wet. So I did this.
It must have saturated the ground. Oh yeah, it just came out so fast. That's what happened. Up the road, you